That's awesome. I love that. I love
You
it.
gotta put it together. It's like, come on. Wow, the propeller. Somebody gotta put it together for him. Wow. We gotta put the plane together later.
Next present.
Ooh.
Who's that, Dylan? Who's that?
Oh.
The next one.
Dylan,
Elmo.
look.
Dylan. Look at the cars.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Oh my goodness.
Elmo. Elmo. Wow.
That's awesome, Dylan.
Wow. How do you open it? Look, he's made with the cars.
Do you love it, Dylan?
Wow.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there? Who's there, Dylan?
Truck.
Let's put the plane
I
together.
guess we'll do this later. You gotta put it together so you can see it.
Let's see. Let's put the plane together.
Oh yeah, that should be simple.